Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share blogging, business, and legal tips. I am super excited about today's video because I'm sharing my blog income report with you. How I made $78,000 in a single month from my blog with my full-time job as a lawyer. Not only that, after reaching this big milestone, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and become a full-time blogger and entrepreneur. So if you are interested in learning how I did it and how to make money blogging, then this video is for you. So this is what we'll cover in the video. The 3 things I did to scale my business quickly, and the 4 ways that I make money blogging. Number 4 will actually surprise you because I don't know any other bloggers talking about this tip or strategy at all. And there's a 5th way of making money blogging as well, which I don't personally use, but I would love to share it with you. And the business tool that I use that really works as magic to make it all happen, that has turned my little blog into a money-making machine. So let me tell you a little bit about myself and how I got started with blogging. I was working full-time as a lawyer for like 10 years, helping entrepreneurs with the legal side of their businesses. And so somewhere deep inside, I knew that I wanted to take that legal expertise into the online space and impact more people. But I just had no idea how to do that. On top of that, I also knew that I needed to supplement my income because I had a huge student loan debt. I had like $150,000 in loans that I had to pay. And every month it felt like I was paying a second mortgage. So I knew that it was time for me to increase my income so that I could get rid of that debt, make a bigger impact. So I stumbled upon a YouTube video of 6-figure bloggers at the time. They really inspired me and I took their course to begin my journey. And I will go ahead and link to that course in the description of this video if you would like to check it out. And I was also recently featured in their video, as you can see right here. So that's how I started my blogging journey. But to be very honest with you, I didn't know what I was doing. If I never took that course, I would have never learned so quickly, and I would have made a lot more mistakes. So I would say that, if you're starting a blog, it's always a great idea to invest in a course instead of trying to figure out everything on your own, because it's just going to take you way longer. You're going to waste so much time. And in my case, because I was working full-time as a lawyer during the day, I only had limited time in the evenings or the weekends to work on my blog. So that meant that I really had to maximize my limited time. And the only way I could do that was to invest in a really good comprehensive course that would teach me the ABC of blogging instead of me Googling or YouTubing and trying to figure out this stuff on my own. So that truly helped scale my business super quickly. And I made $1,000 in my very first month of blogging. So that was the very first way that I learned how to make money blogging, was through the course and the different ways that I could use. And we're going to go over in this video the 4 ways that I make money blogging right now. But, the second thing that really helped scale my business quickly was the fact that I created my own digital products and services. So when you create your own products or offer your own services, you're really in control of your income. You get to reap the full profit. It's not the same as affiliate marketing where you're just getting a commission. And you also build a name and reputation pretty quickly. And you establish what I would say is a closer connection, a stronger connection with your audience because they recognize you from your product, right? Your product is in essentially your reputation, and the better quality and the high quality product that you have, the more people are going to appreciate and love you. So having digital products is definitely the key to scaling your business quickly instead of any other way. So the third way that I scaled my business quickly was by focusing on growing my email list from day one. In other words, what I did was in my very first week of launching my blog, I created what's called a freebie. I created a free legal guide that my subscribers could sign up for and avoid making legal mistakes in their business. What you want to do is you don't want to overcomplicate things. You want to create a very simple freebie anything like a guide, a book, or a free training that is easy to digest and something that someone is going to find very helpful, because they're giving you their email and their name and they're getting on your email list, so you need to provide value, right? Otherwise, there's no incentive for someone to give you their email and just sign up. So that's the first thing I did. I gave them a free legal guide, and that helped them avoid legal mistakes in their business. And then I also gave them a solution, which was my paid product, the legal bundles that I sell, like anything from, the 3 essential legal pages you need on your website to the business contracts that you need to protect yourself and your business. So I have different legal bundles and templates that I had created. And then after getting my freebie and building that relationship and trust with me and that credibility, they trusted enough to buy from me. And that's why having an email list is the most secure way of growing your business than any other way. For example, people focus on traffic, right? Like you want Pinterest, you want Facebook ads, you want Instagram, even YouTube. But in order to take that traffic, that person who visits your site or your sales page to an actual sale, you need that personal connection. You need that relationship with them, that bond with them. And you do that through an email sequence, sequences of emails that you send to build that relationship, build that connection. So that's why it's so important to focus on email from the very beginning. And a lot of people think that you need like thousands and thousands of subscribers to be able to make sales, but that's not true. Because even when I only had 100 subscribers on my email list, I was still making thousands of dollars, because you just need some loyal fans, people that love your product or love your free content, and then they're ready to buy from you. So focus on growing your email list from the very beginning. Go ahead and create that valuable freebie. And once I did that, then I created some more freebies after that. And you can visit the freebies page on my website to grab any one of my freebies if you like. Now to my favorite part of the video, the 4 ways that I make money blogging. Number 1 is my absolute favorite, which is selling my own digital products and services, because I love creating products that solve my audience's problems, especially their legal problems, because the legal side of any business is not easy. It's complicated. It can be confusing. It can be intimidating. And I know this firsthand because my own dad's business got sued when he was just a beginner, right? He had started his business and he got sued for $90,000. So it is a nightmare when things go wrong. And that's why I am so passionate about helping entrepreneurs avoid legal mistakes in their businesses. And the easiest way to do that is to, grab one of my discounted legal bundles or my templates from my legal store. And these are templates anywhere from, talking about the website legal pages that you must have to the essential business contracts you need in your business. So we're talking privacy policy, the website disclaimers, the terms and conditions, the coaching agreement to work with your clients, to freelance contracts to offer your services to the clients, do sponsorship contracts, to work with brands, and so forth. You can always check out my legal store to see the complete list of templates and bundles available to you. And I'm really excited to announce that I've had the honor of helping more than 50,000 entrepreneurs now legally protect their online business through my templates or working one-on-one with me. Now, by working one-on-one with me, you have the option of me answering any of your legal or blogging questions. Let's say you're struggling with making money blogging, go ahead and set up that blog coaching call with me. Visit the Work With Me page on my website, and I'd love to help you. And same thing with legal questions. If you're stuck on something and you need specific help, it could be writing a contract, it could be reviewing a contract, it could be creating an LLC, or anything or any other legal questions you have surrounding your business, just go ahead and book that call with me, and I would love to help you. So the 2 pages I want you to remember on my site are the legal store and the Work With Me page. So out of the 78,000 that I made, 67,000 came from my own products and services. So you can see that that's definitely more profitable, but that doesn't mean that that's the case every month, because some months, affiliate marketing brings in about $20,000, $25,000, and then the sales from the own products go down. So that's why you have to diversify your income. So my second favorite way of making money from my blog is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products in exchange for a commission. So if someone purchases the affiliate product from your link, then you will earn a commission. And when I was a beginner blogger, that's exactly how I earned my very first $100. So till this day, affiliate marketing has been a great way to supplement my income. And some months affiliate marketing brings in 10,000, 20,000, 25,000. It all varies, but it is definitely an area that you want to always explore. And if you're looking to join a high-paying affiliate program, then I invite you to join my affiliate program, which has helped thousands of entrepreneurs. We already have thousands of affiliates just like you, and we would love to have you on board. Take a look at this video where I even share 8 different ways to promote my legal templates so that you can get a head start. And I will put the link to my affiliate program in the description of this video so you can check it out, and you will earn a generous 40% commission on each sale. And not only that, but by signing up as an affiliate, you will be helping someone become legally compliant and giving them peace of mind. Now, the third way that I make money blogging is through sponsorships. Sponsorships are when you work with brands and they pay you to create a sponsored blog post. It could be just paying you to post on Instagram. It could be paying you to create a video. It could be paying you to share their product with your email list. So there are different ways that you can collaborate with brands that are going to pay you if you have an audience. So I have a big email list. And I also have a good social media following. So brands are likely to work with me. And I've done actually all of these. I've done, sponsored emails. I have done sponsored posts on my Instagram, not too many, but some. I've also done sponsored blog posts. So these are just some of the other ways that I supplement my income. Now, you may be wondering, how much did I earn from affiliate marketing and sponsorships? So out of the 78,000 that I made, about 8,200 or so came from affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Now, this number changes from month to month. Some months it's much higher, some months it's a little lower, and some months it's consistent. It all depends on what I'm doing in that particular month. Some months I'm focusing way more on my own products, or I'm creating new products, so I'm not focusing on affiliate marketing or sponsorships as much. But then other months I'm focusing on other people's products more than my own products. And you will see that as a blogger that your priorities will change from month to month. Now, the last way that I made money from my blog is a little bit unusual, and a lot of people don't really talk about it, or maybe they don't use this strategy too much, is through paid interviews and speaking at other people's events. So in other words, what I did is I reached out to my local businesses, not just in the online space, but the offline space, people that I could help with my legal services or my legal templates, and I collaborated with them. And I did the same thing in the online space. So I got paid to do interviews for their audience, and from just doing this, I made about $2,700. So this is definitely an area that I would like to explore more because it has a lot of potential. Now, as you can see that there's so many different ways to make money blogging. So don't be afraid to think outside the box, use your creativity, come up with new ideas and implement them. And there's another way to make money blogging, which is through having ads on your website. If you have good number of page views, you can apply for AdThrive or Mediavine, and you can start earning a decent income every month just by having ads on your site. I haven't done this personally yet because I'm focused too much on my user experience. I want to make sure that people who visit my website have the best experience possible, and I just don't want ads to get in the way of that. If you're liking this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I am very committed to now creating more YouTube videos for you to help you out in your blogging and business journey. And I would really appreciate the love and support. Also, please comment below and let me know which one has been your favorite tip so far. What's your favorite way of making money blogging? Now, the last thing I want to cover in this video is my absolute favorite tool that has truly helped scale my business. Without this tool, I don't think that I would have been able to make any money from my online business. And this is a decision that I made in my very first year of blogging. As a matter of fact, in the first few months of blogging. And I don't think that if I ever made this decision, I would have reached this big milestone, because it's this tool that really simplifies my life. If you have been blogging, you know that tools are very essential to your growth. And so for me, Katra has been a game changer. It has really helped me out so much in terms of everything about my business. I use it for everything. It's an all-in-one business platform. Instead of purchasing different softwares, you just use Kartra for everything. I use it for my email marketing. I use it for my affiliate program. I use it for my sales pages. I use it for my calendar for bookings. I use it for my membership sites. I use it for basically even, my product checkouts, my email funnels, just about everything. It's pretty sophisticated. And if I could recommend someone a good platform, I definitely highly recommend Kartra. If you watch this video, I kind of explained a little bit more why I switched from ConvertKit to Kartra. I started off with ConvertKit because the course that I purchased recommended them, and there's nothing wrong with them. I love them, but ConvertKit was limiting me in terms of what I could do with my business. So Kartra definitely filled in those gaps. So if you haven't checked it out, I will post the link in the description. Go check it out, and I will also link to my blog post where you can read my detailed review of how I use Kartra and how it really helped scale my business. Take a look at this blog post where I cover my blog income report in a lot more detail than we did in this video. I also discuss other things such as the mindset shifts that you must have to make money blogging. What are some of the myths and misconceptions that people have about blogging, and also how to manage your finances as an entrepreneur. And now it's your turn to tell me, what's your favorite part about blogging? How do you make money blogging? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.